up a little bit closer. All right, on the record in City of Lansing versus Cameron Carl Wallace, 22L2704712OI. And you, sir, you are Cameron Wallace?
No.
All right. Mr. Wallace, you're here to be arraigned on a bench warrant. I'm kind of going to give you the rundown of what this is. Mr. Wallace, you received a careless driving ticket. It looks like back in April of 2022. That eventually ended up in a judgment with a fine of $215 that you were supposed to pay within 30 days of August of 2022. You did not pay. Show cause went out. You didn't show up. So a bench warrant was sent out. Looks like you got arraigned. You said you were having some financial and personal difficulties in 2023. You're given until September 11 of 2023 to pay. Sure. Looks like you did not pay again. They set an additional show cause for you. That show cause looks like it was October 16 of 2023. You didn't show up. Bench warrant went out again. You are now at $258, Mr. Wallace. And so the problem is, of course, is that you don't pay and you don't keep in touch with us about what's going on. Any reason why you're not keeping in touch with us about what's going on or making some kind of payment or progress on this?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know if it was this is true or not, but I just found this out that a PO box. I've been literally kicked out of here, kicked out of there ever since 2020. We can go back to before all these charges. Me and my child's mom have been into it for years. We've been back and forth. I'm also a caregiver now, and it's my mom kicking me out, my child's mom kicking me out, and it's just back and forth to staying with a friend or staying with a whatever, and I'm paying my food stamp as rent because I don't have a job or my car is broken. I haven't received any really mail because I don't know where my mail really goes, so I'm trying to figure out if I make this PO box, if it's true or not, that all my mail will stop from every other address and it'll come to my PO box.
Well, only if you give it to us. So what address should we be sending the mail to now?
That's the scary part because my mom's trying to keep me out, but then she's trying to keep me in at the same time. It keeps using family situations. I'm her caregiver.
That doesn't answer my question. Do you want mail sent to her house?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
What address is that? I'm sorry, something. Is there an apartment number with that? Okay. And what's the zip there? Maybe you're right, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Look at that. Yep. Do you have a phone number we can reach you at?
Yes, the worst luck. Maybe I can give you my new number, but my iPhone battery is sticking out of my phone like this right now because I was supposed to go get fixed, and it's a brand new iPhone. It's just a defective iPhone.
Uh-huh. Okay. So what should we do about these payments though? Obviously giving you 30 days to pay has never worked out. What if we set up a payment plan of like $25 a month or something? Is that something you could manage?
If I can donate. I got matter of fact, I'm blessed because I found a BMX bike, not a Walmart bike, so I can get to CSL or something I can do something.
Okay.
I'm just
trying to stop the cycle of telling you to pay, you don't call, you get a warrant. Like we need to stop doing that because that's not getting us anywhere. So that's why I'm trying to come up with something else.
I'm trying to also do that too because I want to see my kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what if I put $20 a month? When do you think you can make your first payment?
I can donate any day of the week.
So
just 2 times.
Yeah.
And then I'm asking you guys trying to find a job, but it's just every job that's at least $21 an hour is better. Nobody's willing to take me anywhere, but they're willing to take me fun places.
So the problem is, I don't know what you're doing as far as job. You need a job. You can find a job you don't like or doesn't pay you well and hold that job while looking for another job. You don't have to not have a job while looking for a job. It's always actually better to look for a job while you got a job because you need to pay your bills in the meantime, right? So Mr. Wallace, let's try to make some good choices. And you might want a job that pays you very well, but you might have to take a job that doesn't pay you as well. In the meantime, to get things paid, keep your phone on, keep yourself fed, maybe keep a roof over your head until you get the job that pays you very well. So you got to make some choices. For today, how about I make this due on the last day of the month? Today is July 3rd. I'll make it due July 31st.
It's my son's birthday.
Okay, well, that'll help you remember to get it paid by then, right?
Yes.
Okay,
so if Clayton doesn't hold me, Clayton.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so then pay by the 31st and the last day of each month, $20. And then eventually you'll work this down. And you can always pay more if for some reason you get a good paying job and you can take care of it so that you don't have to worry about it anymore. In the meantime, if you can't pay and you know you owe some money, you can call us and tell us you need more time if you're having a problem. But you need to either pay or call us. Because if you don't, a warrant's going to go out for you again, and we're going to do this whole thing again in a couple months. And that's just not helping anybody. It's certainly not helping you. What if you find that job you like and then you have a warrant and you get arrested and you lose that job? So we got to do something different. So keep in touch with us, okay?
Would I locate you guys at the East Kalamazoo?
No, we're on Michigan Ave, City Hall.
Okay.
You know where you are right now at the city jail? We're right upstairs. You're on the 3rd floor. We're on the 6th floor.
Yeah, downtown.
Yep. So that's where you need to address this issue. Pay $20 or call us if you're having a problem so that we can give you an extension. But don't let us do this warrant thing again.
It's a struggle going back and forth and not knowing where I'm gonna stay and not knowing where it's just, trust me, it's annoying to me too.
I know, that's why I'm trying to tell you that you have to make some choices. Try to make some choices to move forward. Don't keep doing the same thing because it's not working.
My child's mother just told me about my 8-year-old. She said I had to make this birthday, otherwise I have nothing. And then it's just the same night I got.
Mr. Wallace, choices, remember? All right, you're all set. All right, I think that's our last arraignment.
What would be happening for me in my charges here in Hingham County?
I don't know of any other charges. All I had in front of me was a fail to pay warrant right now, and I just said you're going to make a payment plan.
Thank you.
If you have other warrants, I don't know about them.
Yes.
Okay. Bye,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye.